Hello, we are SIDSA. We are a Swiss company and we are expertise in manufacturing of the shredder, sorting and conveyor equipments. And we are 50-year-old company. In India, we are a decade old. We completed more than 30 projects in industrial waste treatment, bulky waste treatment, MSW treatment projects. And we specialize in the size reduction technologies, and we are happy that we are one of the leader in this segment in India with footprint more than 50 equipment. By far, like I said, we are a Swiss company, so our quality standards are pretty high. European standard, I saw the UCAS and ISOs are like an part and parcel of our everyday activities, and we have been successful in achieving the all the quality standards in Indian client as well as in Europe and Asia as well as. We are the largest technology provider in Asia, and we more than 600 projects in Asia itself. Delivery depends on the equipment, the capacity and the size of the equipment. The delivery like 3 months to 5 months, and whole project can be realized within 6-7 months. And we import from the Europe, we import from the China, we import from other countries as well, where these are the qualified vendors. And we classified as a high-tech company in Europe and Asia, as well as in India. We only go with the reputed brands for the suppliers and OEMs. Yes, we are exhibiting the second time now. This year, we look like a lot of interested clients, and the prospects are coming in. And I wish the CII to have a great success in the expo, and we look forward to exhibiting next year as well.